This is my A/6 at 2024 market recap for today. So today on New York session, I didn't take no trades, right? But let's go over the market, what happened throughout the market. I was looking for sales. As you can see, our sell model was true, but just no execution, no building block to take us in, right? Eventually 30-minute time frame. I think the 30-minute time frame did give us a building block to get in from. Yeah, there was a 30-minute order block, right? But this 30-minute order block was not trending to the upside or down, so just consolidating. So taking this as a trade was really risky for me, so I just proceed to not take that trade. You can see eventually market came down here, my drawn liquidity. Then I was proceeding to look for longs now because of the 4-hour time frame candle. It closed bullish, right? It closed above it, so I was like, okay, the drawn liquidity should be the upside. Eventually, right when I saw the hourly candle close, I was like, okay, if this candle closes below this sales liquidity, which makes that wrong liquidity, which the drawn liquidity still to the downside, I was like, if the market closes below it, I'm just gonna call it a day because there's no way I'm gonna get a setup right after that, right? It never got a setup. As you can see, market just started dying off. But yeah, there's my market recap. What do we gotta focus on is keep on, following our rules, saying be fearless, have satisfaction of building good habits, not money, saying, although we took a small loss on another session, but it was a really small loss, like $100. So I basically caught off, like, I'm pretty sure 90%, no, not 90%, 80% of my losses, right? Because why? I'm meant to be losing 500, right? But catch how much I lost, only 100, so that's really good. With good habits, not bad habits. But other than that, there's my trade recap. Really good, solid trade. I personally to myself liked it as well. I mean, not that London session, but this right here, there's no session, no trade. Don't follow every single rule. I was like, okay, I'm following my rules, and the market told me to get out of the market because literally nothing's happening. As you can see, really nothing happened. Now, what I'm pretending to look like at the market was gonna happen. And the 4-hour candle is gonna close right now. I'm pretending to look for sales still to over here. You know what I'm saying? So because the market really nothing is like going to the upside, the market is just dumping because of the stock market crash as well. So, and it just broke pressure down, so that's even more bearish for me. So next session I might be going for sales, but this session I do want to see a pullback to the upside, like the next 4-hour candle. I do want to see it close a little bit above, so we can get so we can have a move so we can take to the downside, which our take profit could be basically out of this. Our take profit could be on this sell side liquidity right over here. If it does create a 4-hour liquidity, if it doesn't do the 4-hour liquidity, our take profit will be here. So by next session, my take profit will still be the same spot. It will still be on this right over here. It will be on this. If it does create a 4-hour sell side liquidity, my take profit will be there. Plus with this, because they're really, actually you can see in the hourly time frame, it's the only thing that's holding it off right now is that order block. You can see if it's 30-minute time frame, literally the 30-minute fair value gap is getting weaker and weaker every single time. So if I do see a movement to the south side, eventually get a super liquidity somewhere over here next session, right? Get a super liquidity over here somewhere, eventually get a sell setup to the first TP around being here. If there is a 4-hour low, first TP going to be there, second TP here, because literally nothing else going to be holding it off to downside, right? And the drawn located, look, you see right here, market just carrying a trend line now, so which is great. As you can see in the 5-minute time frame, can we tell better in the 5-minute? Yeah, we could see market just getting at this trend line, is currently respecting the trend line plus with the fair value gap. So yeah, all we got to care about now is next session, which should be in London, right? I do want to see this 4-hour candle close like a bullish candle. I want to see a bullish candle closure because that right there could change the drawn liquidity for New York session. But if not, then we never know, man. But that's what my prediction for the next session is. But yeah, let's follow our rules, build good habits, build satisfaction from our rules, not from the money. And yeah, need to teach myself from money. Thank you for watching.